guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today we are doing a mini release, so I'm so glad you're here because I got 3 new products to share with you. We have a new paper pad, 6x6 dots for summer. So if you loved our dots for spring, we now have dots for summer, and we also still have the dots for spring, so you could pick up both if you wanted to, if you love polka dots. So one side comes with big polka dots and the other side comes with tiny little polka dots, which is so perfect if you want just a little splash of cuteness. Look at that. Let's see if I could get that on film for you. So we've got our paper pad. We've got a beautiful 4x6 stamp set. Now this stamp is illustrated by one of our design team members on our Instagram creative team. Her name is Tammy Cremans, and she illustrated this cute little elephant stamp set, and it is so adorable. So you get 4 little characters. There's a little hat you can put on them, like a baseball hat. There's a splash, and then there's a little drip. Now for the drip, you can use it to have the ice cream maybe melting down this cute little guy. You could use it as a little tear, or you could use it as raindrops. Maybe you want to have rain over the umbrella or something like that. The sentiments read, "Just sitting here thinking of you. Have an unforgettable summer. Slow down and enjoy life, and make a splash." So I think it's so cute. And I had so much fun coloring in her elephant. So I'm going to show you the cards. And our third item here is the 4x4 stamp set called Be Salty. Super, super cute. It's perfect to go with these little elephants. Put a little character right here. Or it's perfect to make cards if you wanted to do one without the character and just the scene. So I'm going to do that next because I did put a little cutie on there. I couldn't resist it. So these were done by Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa on YouTube. So she does some of our stamps and our paper pads. For the sentiments, we have Fun in the Sun. This one here that says Just Chill, and it's got the little coconut pina colada with little clouds and sun. And then we have Sending Sunshine, Hello Summer, Be Salty, Have Fun, and Catch the Wave. Now these are curved, so they go stamped nicely right underneath the island picture here, and then we've got a little sun. So let me share these cute little cards. Okay, for the first one, I added the little elephant. Now this cutie little elephant is actually the one on the ball here. So I just trimmed him with my scissors, trimmed it right off, so you can have like an extra character. And then I just glued him straight on there, and I trimmed out the little hat, added that, and then we have stamped the fun here, and then catch the wave underneath, and then I did stamp out the sun. So I thought it turned out so cute. And then the polka dot paper just gives it a little more cuteness. And I added the red to match right here on the surfboard, and then yellow. So I think that's a really nice bright color scheme for summer. And then check out the back. I thought that was so perfect for the back. Just chill. So I love how that turned out. And now check out this card. Isn't that cute? So these elephants make such adorable cards, and I had so much fun coloring them up. And then I did the kind of like a rainbow theme. This paper pad inspired me, and I went ahead and did all the colors to match. So I even did the little hat in the same colors, and then I topped their little eyes off with some black jelly glaze so their eyes are shiny. So I like doing that when you have little round eyes. And then I did add some glossy accents on the splash. And then, so this one says, have an unforgettable summer. That's because elephants never forget. And then I just layered up some layers here, used my distress inks. I will have a video coming up soon on how I did this card. So it's a nice long slimline card, and it was so fun to make. So I'm going to have the links down below so you can pick up the release. You can go ahead and use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off. We have other beautiful releases coming out today, so check out the site. Lots of good stamps and dies. So thanks guys, I can't wait to see your summer projects. Hashtag me at NotTooShabbyShop. That way I could find your project, check it out, and I'd love to see what you create. So thank you guys for stopping by and leaving a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you real soon in the next one. Bye guys.